In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a beautiful wedding invitation using Evite.ai. Let's get started. First, go to Evite.ai. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up using your email or Google account. It's really simple and fast. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a wide range of invitation categories, like weddings, business events, birthdays, and more. Since this video is about weddings, I'll choose the wedding invitation category. Now, look at this. There are over 1,500 plus stunning designs to pick from. I'll go with the romantic garden invitation. Click Start, Customize to begin. Now you can fully customize your card. Change the names, font style, size, colors, alignment, letter spacing, pretty much everything. You can even add text, images, videos, links, or stickers. Evite.ai gives you full control. Make it your own, just the way you like it. Once you're happy with the invitation, click Next at the top of the page. Now you're in the envelope editor. Here, you can choose your envelope material. I'll go with vellum and a light pink color. You can also choose if you want a border. I'll select a gold border. Looks elegant, right? Now you can add your guest's name, mailing address, or company name on the envelope. You can customize where the text appears, on the front or back, and edit font, size, and color too. You can also add stamps. I picked a floral one, and a backfill for extra style. Now here comes one of my favorite parts, the seal design. Evite AI lets you add a custom seal to your envelope for an extra special touch. There are so many elegant styles to choose from: classic, floral, or minimal. Pick the one that suits your invitation best. It gives a premium feel to your final design. Even the background and overlay effects like snow or confetti can be changed. For display animation, I'll go with Card Open. Once you're done, click Next. Now it's time to enter your event details, which is one of the most important steps in your invitation. This is where you tell your guests exactly what the celebration is all about. For this example, I'll start by adding the main heading. You are invited to the wedding of Emma and Noah. Next, under the event name, I'll simply type Emma and Noah. This is the title your guests will see first, so make sure it's short, sweet, and personal. Now let's move on to the venue details. Type in the name of the venue, like the Botanical Garden Hall. Then add the full address so your guests know exactly where to go. After that, enter the date and time of the event. For example, Saturday, June 9th, 2025 7. Ceremony starts at 5 p.m. You can adjust the format and wording to match your style. Evite.ai gives you space to add additional details too, like dress code, reception info, or a personal note to your guests if you want. Take your time here to make it perfect, because this section tells the full story of your event. Once everything looks good, click Next to move on to the RSVP section. Now it's time to preview your invitation. Take a good look. If anything needs to be changed, you can still go back and edit it. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Send. Here, you can choose your guests. I'll add my own email just to show you how it appears when your guest receives it. Okay, now let's take a look at how it shows up in the guest's inbox. Pretty cool, right? That looks absolutely amazing! Evite.ai did a great job. You don't have to waste time or money printing invitations manually anymore. Evite.ai is not only fast, but also eco-friendly. You can even start an online invitation-making job using this tool. Just a quick note, if you're using the basic version, you can send invitations to up to 10 people. If you want to send to more, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome videos.